Hi, I'm Adaeze Ogoke, and today I'm making fufu. There are many types of fufu like cassava fufu, dried cassava, also known as gari, pounded yam that contains boiled yams, amala that contains yam powder, oatmeal fufu that contains blended oats, plantain fufu, rice meal fufu that is cooked or mashed rice, and more. Fufu was created in the 16th century. Fufu came from Ghana, and it spread to Nigeria and then other countries. Nigeria got fufu from Ghana, but made it their own by making it with different ingredients. When you eat fufu, you eat it with soup like groundnut soup, palm nut soup, egusi soup, vegetable soup, draw soup, and more. When you eat fufu, you usually swallow it, but some people, like me, don't because they can't or they want to chew it. The fufu I'm making today is called oatmeal fufu, and you already know it contains oatmeal or Quaker oats. This type of fufu is kind of fun to make, but also not easy. But it doesn't take too long to make, so it's kind of fun. Fun fact: National Fufu Day is August 11th. Let's get started. First, we turn on the fire, and then we put a good amount of water for the amount of fufu you want. I'm making like a cup, so I think it's probably a good amount of water. Make sure you have your stick to stir it. You can use anything, just make sure it's sturdy in case you break it, because don't. Okay. It boils so that the fufu can work. Make sure you have your fufu out, and I'm making 1 cup of fufu. Water is boiling, we're gonna put the fufu into the water. And now we start stirring. You should do it faster so it can stick together faster. Credits to my grandma because this is her doing it. I'm recording. You know, that was super hard to do, and I was so confused. So yeah, just like this, you cover it. For some time now, you dip your stick into water, and then now you stir it again.
Stir it.
Mix the fufu again for a couple of times, and then after that, you cover it again. And now you dip your stick in water again, and for the last time, and stir it. The fufu.
It's ready.
After this, you can tell the fufu is almost ready. Look, it has to get a little thicker and less stickier. It's now ready, and you can stick it into a plate.
And the fufu is ready.
The fufu is now ready. Now ready.
Look how.
Fufu.